World Environment Day. Today I am going to present the theme of ecosystem restoration. Introduction. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June to encourage awareness and action for the protection of the environment. First held in 1974, celebrated with the theme of Only One at Earth at Spokane, United States. Each year, the program has provided a theme. Presently, we are celebrating with the theme of ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem consists of all the organisms living in community as well as the abiotic factors with which they interact. Ecosystems range from microcosm such as an aquarium to a large area such as lake or forest. Restoration, bring back to a previous position or condition. Degraded ecosystem. When any ecosystem is under attack as a result of natural or man-made disaster, it is termed as degraded ecosystem. Types of degraded ecosystem: land or soil, water, air, deforestation. Restoration.